Hey guys! So for today we're going to do a Korean haul. So basically we last month we visited South Korea for our vacation. So yeah, we have our tour there and we did a lot of stuff there. So basically this is what I've got, or this is what I brought. So yeah guys, so this is what I got from Korea. So here's the first bag of I'll bring it out. Yeah, here you go. So nothing more. So guys, I've got here socks. I only bought one pair of socks because I do have a lot of socks here in our home, so I just only bought one. So I've got Doraemon. So yeah guys, because OG, you know, this the old school anime. If you watch Doraemon in your childhood, because he's my childhood, childhood memories. So yeah, I've got Doraemon and some t-shirts for souvenirs. So yeah, I've got the Supreme. So yeah, I bought this in, don't remember already. So yeah, so there you go, Supreme. So yeah, I bought this for 1,000 Korean won. So next is here we go, Korea. Yeah, so remembrance. So every time we visited another country or a different place, that my goal is to buy a souvenir or unless a t-shirt. So yeah, so as you can see, the Korea. Yeah, so last t-shirt is this one. So we have Seoul Tower. So yeah guys, so basically we visited Seoul Tower at night. So here's the picture if you want to see. 10, 10, 10, and 10. Hey guys, Seoul Tower. Yay. So yeah guys, so that's the first bag. That's the first bag. So next is we're going to go to food, yo. Second bag. So yeah guys, so start with this one. So I got the Montegro Gold. So this is basically cookies. So choco matcha, oh my goodness, choco matcha cookies. So basically, I do love green tea flavored snacks or cookies. So basically, this is one of my favorites. I think matcha, because I do drink a lot of matcha like here in Starbucks. You know, matcha frappuccino. You know, so yeah. So maybe I'm going to do a taste test video on the foods that I bought. So yeah, this is one food that I got. Then I also have the honey butter almond, because I do love to eat some nuts. So I do love to eat some almonds, peanuts, and everything. So yeah, so this basically my favorite flavor out of all. So honey butter almond. So yeah, I'm going to do also a taste test for that one. And here I also have the wasabi almond. Basically, I didn't taste this yet, so wait for the video for it. So yeah, I do love spicy foods, but if you would like to see my samyang video, so click right here. So yeah guys, wasabi almond. So yeah, I got four of those almonds. So that's the only food that I've got. So yeah, that's the 4 food that I only got in Korea, because I spent all my money in albums. Here is I opened this already. This is what I brought from SM Town. So basically we visited the SM Town Museum. So you know, it's a wonderful experience to go to SM Town, because you know, Super Junior, the museum was there, Super Junior, Red Velvet, yo, SNSD Girl Generation, FX, and everything. So so yeah guys, this is the album that I got. But first is here what I've got from SM Town Museum. So basically we have this ID holder cards. So yeah, they have like you wear it when you go to the museum inside. So they have a bunch of what you call this, different groups. So this is what I've got. So basically I did have Girls' Generation with the 5 of them, and next is I've got the Holiday Night, also Girls' Generation, and last but not the least, Rookie from Red Velvet. So yeah. So yeah, for the albums that I've got is that basically I'm going to do a different video for them, like a different kind of video for the unboxing as well. So basically all of this album, I'm going to unbox it in a different kind of video, so wait for that. So let's start. So guys, so basically here's the first album, so Red Velvet. So I didn't get the limited or the special edition of the album because you know, I'm broke, yo, I'm broke. I'm going broke because of this album, so my babies. Yeah guys, so I've got Red Velvet. So this is the day one version of Red Velvet, the Red Festival. So basically this is the Zimzalabim. So this is the latest album or their latest comeback, you know. Zimzalabim, Zimzalabim. So hopefully I've got Joy postcard because my bias is Joy. Hey guys, comment down below on who's your bias on K-pop girl group or whatever. So guys, I've the next thing I've got this. So the next thing is that I have the selfie book of Red Velvet. So this is number 2. So basically this is what I've brought from SM Town Museum. So yeah, this is Red Velvet, yo. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this as well. So this is the selfie book of Red Velvet in Slovenia. Lovely days in Slovenia. So yeah, that's the only Red Velvet that oh wait, I've also have this Peekaboo from Red Velvet. So I'm going to do a separate video for this one, an unboxing one. So next is I've here we have BLACKPINK, yo, Kill This Love. So guys, so I've got the BLACKPINK black version because I would like to get the pink version as well, but you know, we're going broke, yo. So I didn't have enough money to buy another album, so you know. So yeah, I've got this. I'm going to do unboxing of this as well. So now is that let's go to Isaac. So yeah. So here is I've got Fancy. So yeah. So it comes with the postcards. So all of this that I bought, they have included the posters. So yeah, I just bundle them up together. So I think this is 4 or 5 albums together. So I'm going to show you this when I'm going to unbox these albums. So yeah, hopefully I've got a Nayeon photo card because Nayeon's my bias, you know. So yeah, so that's Fancy with the photo cards. So yeah, so next is the last album that I've got is, oh, not the last album. So here in this bag, the last album here in this bag is that I've got the Year of Yes. So this is the special edition, I think. So yeah, Pfizer. So I also have the Signal. Yeah, Signal of Twice. Then I'm going to do an unboxing of this as well. Then I've got Twice Coaster Lane 1. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. Then last album that's here is You Think by Girls' Generation, yo. So yeah guys. So yeah guys, that's the Korean haul that I've got. This is the all the things that I brought. Hey guys, so that's all. So for today, please hit the like button if you like this video. So basically, a comment down below on who's your bias on different K-pop groups or boy group or girl group. So basically, comment down below on what kind of video would I do next. So basically, this is what I've got. So please hit the notification down below to be in the notification squad. So yeah guys, so for today, that's all, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.